Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Benchmark Study. I hope you are doing well and आप सभी की प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी चल रही होंगी। एंड आज हम करने वाले हैं मंथली एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट थर्ड फॉर द फेब्रुअरी मंथ। एंड उससे पहले आप सभी को पता है आज फूल दही है और आप सभी को फूल दही की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम आज का सेशन। Question number 1 is which organization declared the Aravalli Biodiversity Park in Gurugram, Haryana as for India's first OECM other effective area based conservation measures site? So here answer is option number B, that is IUCN, जिसका full form है International Union for Conservation of Nature. And additional information is that the Aravalli is the one of the oldest mountain range in the world. Question number 2 is name the personality that launched Powerthon 2022. जैसे आपकी हैकाथन थी राइट, ये आपकी मैराथन सीरीज मैराथन होती है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे पावरथन है 2022 फॉर इनेबलिंग एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी इन पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. So here answer is option number D, that is it is launched by the Rajkumar Singh. Question number 3 is which ministry launched intensified mission Indradhanush, that is IMI 4.0 in New Delhi to protect children and pregnant women for severe diseases from severe diseases. So here answer is option number C, that is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Now question number 4 is the central government continues the scheme of Rashtriya Yuva Sashakti Karyakram, that is RYSK, for another dash years with an outlay of rupees dash. So here answer is option number E, that is ये increase की गई है 5 years के लिए and इसका जो outlay है that is 2710.65 crore rupees है. Question number 5 is which institution established Aquamap Center to solve India's water crisis? So here answer is IIT Madras. So option number C is the correct answer. And जो आपका IIT Madras है, it is the first, it has scored first position in the Atal ranking of institution on innovation. Question number 6 is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, that is PMKSY, is extended for the period of 2021-2022 to dash with an outlay of rupees 4600 crore for the scheme. So ये आपका हुआ है 2025-26 तक extend. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 7 is according to the brand valuation report, dash is the India's strongest and the largest brand in the country with a valuation of rupees 8.656 billion dollar. So here answer is option number E, that is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. And जो आपका LIC है, LIC कंपनी, वो वर्ल्ड की 10th मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल इंश्योरेंस ब्रांड है. Question number 8 is recently in February 2022 RBI has extended the restrictions on which bank till May 2022. So ये extend किया गया है on the Karnataka's Milath Cooperative Bank. So option number A is the right answer. Question number 9 is Larsen & Toubro Limited inks pact with which organization to develop a regulated sector focused cloud offering? So here answer is option number D, that is Microsoft India. Question number 10 is according to the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy Private Limited, that is CMIE, the unemployment rate of India has declined to dash from Jan 2022. So ये आपका 6.5 तक डिक्लाइन हुआ है. So option number B is the correct answer. And मैं बता देती हूँ आपको कौन कौन से स्टेट हैं जिसमें जो आपका अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट है वो लो है. So first is your तेलंगाना, then second is गुजरात and third is मेघालय. Whereas अगर हाईएस्ट की बात की जाए तो फर्स्ट है आपका इन हरियाणा, सेकेंड इज इन राजस्थान एंड थर्ड इज द त्रिपुरा. ओके, सो ये चीज आपको याद रखनी है, पूछी जा सकती है आपको. Question number 11 is as per Bloomberg Millionaires Index released on 8th February, dash became the Asia's richest person. So here answer is option number A, that is Gautam Adani. But अगर हम आज की बात करें तो ये आज का डेटा मैंने लिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So as on March 14, सो टॉप पे कौन है? एलन मस्क. एंड अगर एशिया की बात की जाए तो हेयर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर दैट इज मुकेश अंबानी. सो 10th नंबर पे है मुकेश अंबानी एंड एशिया में ये फर्स्ट नंबर पे है. Question number 12 is who won the 8th late Madhuriyame award in the category of Karyakram Khasdar, that is efficient member of the parliament for the year 2020-2021. So here answer is option number D, that is ये मिला है नितिन गडकरी को. Question number 13 is recently in February, who is appointed as a Director General of Defense Intelligence Agency, that is DGDIA, and Deputy Chief of Integrated Defense Staff. So here answer is option number E. ये बनाया गया है GAV रेड्डी को. Question number 14 is identify the organization that decommissioned the INSET 4B through 11 reorbiting maneuvers. So here answer is option number C. ये किया गया है by the ISRO. ठीक है. एंड जो INSET 4B था ये लॉन्च किया गया था आपका 2007 में. ठीक है. 12 मार्च 2007 को ये लॉन्च किया गया था और ये प्रोवाइड करता था आपको DTH सर्विसेज एंड अदर कम्युनिकेशन सर्विसेज. Question number 15 is which country won Women's Asian Cup India 2022 held at Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. So ये जीता है चाइना ने after defeating the South Korea. So जो आपका ये चाइना है, चाइना ने ये टाइटल 9th टाइम जीता है. Question number 16 is the book titled Golden Boy Neeraj Chopra is authored by, so it is authored by the Navdeep Singh Gill. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 17 is which organization signed MOU with the Maharashtra government to support its Manji Vasundhara campaign? So here answer is option number A, that is United Nations Environment Program. Question number 18 is which state government launched Praya Shikshalaya Neighborhood School, an open air classroom program for students from class 1st to 7th. So here answer is option number C. ये launch किया गया है by the West Bengal government. Question number 19 is which of the following statement are correct with respect to the reimagining healthcare in the India through blending finance report. So statement क्या कहती है? पहली आपकी statement कहती है कि जो ये report है that is it is released by the Niti Aayog. Second says 21 states and 8 union territories have access to only 65% of hospital beds. Third says India's healthcare spending is 3.6% of GDP, including out-of-pocket and public expenditure. So here answer is option number D, that is only first and third statements are correct. Second वाली में क्या correction है कि जो आपके 21 states and 8 union territories हैं ये आपका 35% of hospital beds को access करती हैं. ठीक है. एंड जो इंडिया की जो इंडिया का स्पेंडिंग है दैट इज 3.6% ऑफ जीडीपी इन दी हॉस्पिटल सेक्टर. ठीक है. सो ये क्या है, सॉरी इन हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर ये सबसे कम है अगर हम कंपेयर करें ब्रिक्स की आपकी कंट्रीज से. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो ब्राजील करती है 9.2% ऑफ जीडीपी. नेक्स्ट इन साउथ अफ्रीका जो है वो 8.1% खर्च करती है. रशिया 5.3% खर्च करता है एंड जो चाइना है वो अपनी जीडीपी का 5% खर्च करती है इन दी हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर. वेयर एज इंडिया कितना कर रही है यहाँ पे 3.6%. Question number 20 is which organization partnered with AIM, that is Atal Innovation Mission of Niti Aayog, under the Sustainable Access to Markets and Resources for Innovative Delivery of Healthcare, that is Samriddh Initiative to accelerate health innovation and entrepreneurship in India. So here answer is option number B, that is USAID, that is United States Agency for International Development. Now question number 21 is as per the data released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, India became the dash largest exporter of millets in the world. So India का जो है India is the 5th largest exporter of the millets in the world. So option number D आपका correct answer है. And as per the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare data, India जो है वो produce करता है आपका 12 million millets MT of millets annually. Question number 22 is which of the following statement are correct with respect to the ASEAN India High Level Conference on Renewable Energy. So go through करते हैं statement को. 3 statements यहाँ पर आपको given है. First statement क्या कहती है? India hosted the ASEAN India High Level Conference on Renewable Energy in February 2022. कि जो आपकी जो कॉन्फ्रेंस थी वो किसने होस्ट की है? इंडिया ने. सेकेंड आपका पॉइंट क्या कह रहा है? इसकी थीम जो है दैट इज एक्सपीरियंस एंड इनोवेशन फॉर द इंटीग्रेटेड रिन्यूएबल्स मार्केट. थर्ड पॉइंट क्या कह रहा है? एशियन विल एम टू अचीव इट्स एस्पिरेशनल टारगेट्स ऑफ 23% शेयर ऑफ renewable energy in total primary energy supply and 35% share of renewable energy in ASEAN installed power capacity by 2025 by developing large scale renewable energy system. So here answer is option number E, that is only 2 and 3. only second and third statement जो है वो आपके correct है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट गलत क्यों है? क्योंकि जो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है ये होस्ट की थी इंडोनेशिया ने। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 is Gaurav Khanna Dronacharya Awardee launch India's first para badminton academy in dash. So इन्होंने लॉन्च की है ये एकेडमी लखनऊ में. So ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, लखनऊ यूपी. Question number 24 is PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Dash anniversary celebration of International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics, that is ICRISAT in Dash. So here answer is option number E, that is 50th anniversary थी और ये लॉन्च किया गया है at the Hyderabad. Question number 25 is which bank partnered with Credit as solution to automate loan collection? So here answer is option number A, that is RBL Bank. Question number 26 is which general insurance company launched Cyber Sachet insurance policy to counter digital risk? So here answer is option number D, that is HDFC Ergo General Insurance Company. Question number 27 is name the bank that signed a pact with Cell Apps Digital Network to promote digitization in dairy sector. So here answer is option number B, that is DBS Bank. Question number 28 is recently in February, Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank and Dash were chosen by Tata Group to finance India's largest international airline, Air India. So here answer is option number E, that is Bank of Baroda, HDFC and SBI. ये तीनों को चूज किया है टाटा ग्रुप ने. Question number 29 is which company recently signed MOU with the Odisha-based Indian Institute of Management, Sambalpur, to provide market access to artisans and weavers of Odisha to sell their products online? So here answer is Flipkart. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 30 is Dash becomes youngest women to fly solo around the world. So here answer is option number B, that is Zara Rutherford. Question number 31 is who became the new Prime Minister of Peru? So here answer is option number D, that is इनका नाम है Aníbal Torres Vescu और उन्हें जो है सक्सीड किया है हेक्टर वेलर को. Question number 32 is in February 2022 which shipyard delivered the 3 floating border outpost vessels to the Border Security Force, that is BSF, for its water weaving? So here answer is option number A, that is Cochin Shipyard Limited. Question number 33 is who won 2021 Africa Cup of Nations Championship for the first time? So here answer is option number D, that is Senegal, and इन्होंने हराया है यहाँ पे इजिप्ट को. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या है, जो एफकॉन 2021 है इस बार सेलिब्रेट किया है हमने 33rd एडिशन. ठीक है, एंड ये होस्ट किया है कैमरून ने फ्रॉम 9th to 6th February. सो 9 जनवरी से ये आपका सेलिब्रेट किया गया था टिल दी 6th of February. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 इज Safer Internet Day 2022 observed on 8 February 2022 marks the celebration of the Dash edition of SID. So इस बार हमने सेलिब्रेट किया है 19th एडिशन एंड जो आपका सेफर इंटरनेट डे है ये सेकेंड वीक के, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ, सेकेंड वीक के सेकेंड ट्यूसडे को मनाया जाता है. ओके, एंड 2019 से इसका जो थीम है दैट इज टुगेदर फॉर द बेटर इंटरनेट, ये तब से 2019 से यही चल रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 इज राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट साइन MOU विद द मेजर कंपनीज इन द रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेक्टर कैप्चरिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ ₹3.05 लाख करोड़ अंडर द डैश कैंपेन. सो यहाँ पे कैंपेन का नाम पूछा गया है. सो हियर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज इस कैंपेन का नाम क्या है, इन्वेस्ट राजस्थान कैंपेन. Question number 36 is which company commissioned Gujarat's first wind solar hybrid project at Bharuch? So here answer is option number B, that is Renew Power. Question number 37 is Dash became the first union territory to integrate with the NASA single window system, that is NSWS, which marks a major leap in ease of doing business. So here answer is option number C, that is ये यूनिट टेरिटरी है हमारी JNK. Question number 38 is name the district that ranked first in Niti Aayog's Delta rankings for December 2021. So here answer is option number D, that is इसका नाम है मलंगिरी उड़ीसा. Question number 39 is India's first commercial biomass based hydrogen plant will be set up at Dash with the outlay of ₹24 crore. So here answer is option number A, that is Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. Now we are at the last question. Question number 40 is, in February 2022, India ranked dash in the 9th annual ranking of top 10 countries outside the United States for the leadership in energy and environmental design in 2021 while dash topped the list. So India की रैंक आई है आपकी थर्ड एंड ये टॉप किया है चाइना ने. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो आई होप गाइज मेरा ये लेक्चर आपको पसंद आया होगा. एंड अगर आपके कुछ फीडबैक हैं तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, और यू कैन मेल अस एट benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com. एंड मैं आज ही सारे जो भी हमने लेक्चर शेयर किए हैं यूट्यूब पे, उन सब के आपको पीडीएफ मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. मैं उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दे दूंगी, वहां से आप उसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. तो गाइज मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.